Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, I'm going to highlight 5 altcoins to $5 million. And what I mean by this is 5 altcoins that I'm going to pick that I think if I dollar cost average into these amazing altcoins, that I would be able to achieve $5 million in my portfolio. So we're going to dig into this. This was a video series we did in the bear market last time round, and I thought we should probably do it again. It was very, very popular. So we're going to dig into these and let me know in the comments below what 5 altcoins you would have picked to, dollar cost average into over the next 8, 10, 12 months, whatever was remaining of this bear market. Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Right, let's get down to the desktop. So we're going to start here, and the first one that I'm going to call out is Injective. This is a really interesting project, obviously focused on Web3 applications. Again, this is a project that there are people talking about it, but I just think that this one's going to start to really do well. So this would be one that I would be dollar cost averaging into in order to, basically achieve this goal, right? This is one of the strong altcoins in the space, in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, there are others, and we're going to come on to some of those in a moment. This one is currently down 0.95% at the time of recording, and I do think you're going to find some cheaper prices in the coming weeks and months. It's $11.82 currently, and look, this is a really interesting project that I think is going to go on to do really, really well. Really like the tokenomic aspect of things for this project. Team's good, all that wonderful stuff, so definitely worth digging into this one. And the next one is going to probably surprise a few people. It's definitely going to catch a few people off guard. There's a lot of people that just don't see it just yet, but you will, trust me, you will. And the next one that I'm going to talk about would be none other than Polkadot. And look, we see lots of projects at the moment talking about interoperability. We're going, interoperable. You're seeing this a lot, but actually what this is just lots of projects on one ecosystem requiring more liquidity, more money, and they're just looking to hop and move over to other chains to take liquidity out of the ecosystem. They're not really doing it for the words that are spoken, in my opinion. So just be careful. You're hearing these projects talking about going multi-chain and all this sort of shit, basically. This is true multi-chain, interoperability and all that wonderful stuff. Polkadot, go check it out. It's definitely an interesting project. Layer 0, again, focusing on Web3 applications. Definitely one to dig into. I think that this is going to be a very, very good performer in the next bull market. Now, a lot of people will be saying, Chris, you fought that last time round. I think it's just better prepared this time. I think, the parachains, the auctions, all that sort of stuff, it just wasn't ready for the bull market the last time round. Many people saw that we highlighted the likes of SingularityNet, one of the first ever projects that we talked about on this channel. And, we're only really starting to see that one moving the way we anticipated much earlier on now. So sometimes we're just a little bit too early on some of these things, but I don't think we're that often wrong, right? We're normally on the money. So look, one for me, I really do like it, think it's going to do well. And again, it makes up the 5 that I would be accumulating to get my target of $5 million. It's currently down 1.76% at the time of recording at $4.21. Go do your research. I'm not suggesting anybody FOMOs into these. These are my 5 that I would be dollar cost averaging into, excluding Bitcoin, obviously, because that's not an altcoin. And we're just purely focused on altcoins. Generational level wealth opportunities are in altcoins, in my opinion. Moving on to the third project, I believe it is. and that is Cardano. Cardano for me is a project that everybody should know we are bullish on. Again, a layer 1 blockchain. Again, it's a really good project, a project that we do rate immensely and we think it's going to do really well. But, you know, you've got to go do your own research. You know, don't take anybody's, you know, opinion for financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's certainly not what I'm doing here. I'm just talking about projects I'm bullish on. You should go do your research. You know, if you need a financial advisor, go find one and see what they say. But again, this is a project that we're seeing total value locked increase immensely, which is the opposite of what we're seeing when it comes to the likes of Ethereum and other blockchains, right? So look, a really interesting project, really positive about this one. It's currently up 1.84% at the time of recording at 28 cents 68. Again, I think we're going to see cheaper prices for many of these altcoins. You know, let me know your thoughts and opinions on these 5 altcoins that I'm talking about in the comments below. Do you agree, or do you think there are better opportunities in the altcoin space? Let me know. Really interested to get your views and opinions. Moving on, we've got Chainlink. Now, to be honest, this bull market, I am probably the most bullish on this particular project. The stuff that I've seen them doing has just been immense. I think that they're still misunderstood in the space, and I think people are starting to wake up, but not everybody. And I think a lot of people are going to sleep on Chainlink. Oracles, much needed. Again, I think this is a project that, you know, connects the world, right? Connects all the businesses with the blockchain and is massively required in the space. So yeah, go check Chainlink out. It's currently down 5% at the time of recording at $10.52. Again, really do like this project. Expect it to do really, really well. Now, the next one is VChain. We'll start with where it's at price-wise. It's down 1.33% at the time of recording at 0.01866. Again, for me, this is another really interesting project. Love the rebranding that they've done. We talked about this actually in the previous 5 coins to 5 altcoins to $5 million. VChain was on that list. So was Cardano, in fact. So our opinions haven't changed. If anything, they've just got stronger. Branding strong and on point. The stuff that they're doing is amazing. We've spent some time with the team. Again, you know, right up there when it comes to blockchain, you know, from a team perspective, initiative perspective, and everything that they're doing. So definitely worth going and checking out VChain. Fantastic project. Now, I really do believe in what I'm saying here. None of this is paid, endorsed, or anything like that. There's no money being pied ways for us to make videos. We just don't do that sort of stuff on this channel. It's our own opinions, our own views on the market. They might not be aligned to everybody watching, right? And that's completely fine. Let me know in the comments below what 5 you would have picked. Really interested to review mine and look at yours and all that wonderful stuff, right? Look, we've been around the block when it comes to blockchain, and you know, we've been very, very successful in this space. You know, we're picking out projects that we believe are going to do really well. It's really important to have a diverse portfolio. Again, you know, we started doing a portfolio series, so go check that out on the channel, where we can already see the benefits of dollar cost averaging, the benefits of having a diverse portfolio and all that stuff. And we're going to continue that series to demonstrate the stuff that we talk about on this channel. So do give us a follow, jump in the Discord, check out the membership website, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗀𝗀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀𝒀 see immense value, in my opinion. And if you don't believe me, go ask the members in the Discord. They'll tell you. But yeah, look, none of this is financial advice. Treat this for educational purposes only. We're not financial advisors. This market is very volatile. You do risk losing all of your money if you don't know what you're doing. So make sure that you do invest, doing your own research, based on, perhaps speaking to a financial advisor or something along those lines. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications. So mash up that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tap in that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.